Imagine this. You select a product from a drop-down menu, and instantly, a matching image appears. It's clean and interactive. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to build a dynamic drop-down list that displays images automatically. Let's get started. We'll start with a simple data set of popular fruits. In column A, fruit names. And in column B, corresponding images for each fruit. Make sure the images are properly sized to fit within the cells. Now let's add our drop-down list. Head over to cell D2. Click on the Data tab. Choose Data Validation. Under Allow, select List. In the source box, highlight your fruit names from column A. Then click OK. And there you have it. A drop-down list is now active in cell D2, ready to drive dynamic image updates. Now it's time for the magic, making the image change automatically based on the selected item from the drop-down list. First, head over to the Formulas tab. Then click on Name Manager. Choose New. For the name, let's call it something like Image. Now, in the Refers to box, enter the following formula. So what exactly does this do? Let me break it down. The match function looks at the value in D2 and searches for it in the fruit name list, which is A2 to A6. If your selection is strawberry and it's in cell A3, then match returns 2 because A3 is the second item in that range. Next, the index function uses that result and pulls the corresponding image from the range B2 to B6. That means, if you choose strawberry in the dropdown, Excel fetches the image next to it and displays it dynamically. Now, click OK to save the named range. Here's the fun part, linking images that change based on your selection. Select the image next to mango and copy it by pressing Ctrl+C. Now go to cell E2, right-click, and choose Paste as linked picture. It may appear blurry. Don't worry, we'll fix that next. To make the image change dynamically, we'll use a clever trick. First, select the image that you previously pasted as a linked picture. Then, click inside the formula bar. Type in =, followed by the name of the dynamic image range you created. Finally, press Enter. Let's test it out. Change the fruit name in cell D2. Boom! The image updates instantly. That's how you create a drop-down list with images in Excel, visually engaging, dynamic, and easy to implement. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your Excel-loving friends, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more smart spreadsheet tricks. Thanks for watching.